If you're a homeowner in Bluffdale considering new doors for your home, you're making a great investment in both aesthetics and security. Whether it's a stylish front door, a patio door, or interior doors to refresh your space, a professional door installation can make all the difference. To help you prepare for your Bluffdale door installation, here's a guide on what to expect and how to get ready for a seamless experience. Why choose professional door installation? While it may be tempting to attempt door installation as a DIY project, hiring professional installers in Bluffdale ensures a perfect fit, proper alignment, and reliable weatherproofing. Professionals are equipped with the tools and skills to avoid common installation pitfalls, which can lead to energy inefficiencies or security vulnerabilities. In Bluffdale's climate, a well-installed door will help maintain your home's temperature year-round, saving on heating and cooling costs. Plus, you'll have peace of mind knowing that your investment is backed by a warranty. What to expect from a Bluffdale door installation service consultation and door selection? Most professional door installation services in Bluffdale offer an initial consultation to discuss your needs, budget, and style preferences. This is the time to ask questions about materials, insulation features, and warranties. From classic wood doors to modern steel options, your installer can help you select a door that enhances curb appeal while providing the durability and security your home requires. Measurement and preparation. Once you've selected a door, the installer will take precise measurements to ensure a perfect fit. Accurate measurements are essential to avoid any gaps that could allow drafts or compromise security. The installation team may also check for any issues around the existing frame, such as rot or damage, which could impact the installation process. The installation process. On installation day, the team will arrive with your new door, prepared to handle everything from removing the old door to installing the new one with minimal disruption to your home. For exterior doors, the installers will typically remove the old frame if needed, install the new frame, and then set the door, ensuring it is level and secure. This process includes adding weather stripping and sealing any gaps to prevent air leaks. The crew will also clean up the workspace after installation, leaving your entryway neat and ready to enjoy. Inspection and final adjustments. After the door is installed, the team will inspect their work, checking the door's alignment, security features, and ease of operation. They'll ensure that the door swings smoothly and locks securely. If needed, final adjustments will be made to ensure the door fits perfectly. Most companies will also offer guidance on door maintenance to prolong its lifespan. Warranty and support. Reputable door installation services in Bluffdale provide a warranty on both the product and the installation. Make sure to ask about warranty terms and any maintenance recommendations that will keep your door in prime condition. How to prepare for door installation day. Clear the work area on installation day. Clear the space around the door area to allow the installers easy access. Remove any decor, furniture, or rugs near the doorway. This not only protects your belongings but also ensures a safer, more efficient work environment. Secure pets and children. Door installation involves heavy lifting and sometimes loud tools, which can be stressful or unsafe for pets and children. Keep them away from the work area for their safety and the installer's ease. Communicate preferences with the installer. If you have specific preferences for door height, swing direction, or lock type, communicate these with your installer beforehand. Having clear communication helps ensure the final installation meets your expectations. Plan for noise and dust. Although professional installers will try to minimize disruption, installing a new door can be noisy and produce dust. Consider covering nearby furniture or closing interior doors to reduce dust spread. If you work from home, you may want to plan for a quiet space elsewhere. Prepare for a brief time without security. During the installation, your doorway will be open, which could temporarily affect your home's security. Most installations are completed within a few hours, but if you're concerned, ask your installer about their projected timeline so you can plan accordingly. Final thoughts. A new door is a fantastic way to enhance your home's look and functionality. By understanding what to expect and preparing properly, you can make your Bluffdale door installation a smooth and satisfying experience. From increased security to improved energy efficiency, a professionally installed door offers lasting benefits that add value to your home. When you're ready to upgrade, choose a reliable, experienced installer in Bluffdale to ensure a seamless, high-quality installation that you'll enjoy for years to come.